All right, as the holidays is going, anyway guys, everybody compliments of the season. As the holidays is going, another messier tea is brewing between Doris Ogala and VDM, Very Dark Black Man, with Pastor Chris. And you know, when Very Dark Black Man gets in, there is a juice pouring. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1, and I'm your girl Bella, and I've come again with the latest gist on social media buzz. Okay, remember, Very Dark Black Man gave ultimatum that Doris Ogala should be released before Tuesday deadline. And lo and behold, Tuesday, Doris Ogala is finally out from detention, and she's thanking Very Dark Black Man and Omoleye Sowore for her release.
Yes, so these are my guys. These are my lawyers. We're out from Zone 2 police station. Finally, thank you to my president, Omoyele Sowore, and the Rata King, VDM. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
And that's not the only thing. Another thing came. Pastor Chris's so-called daughter came and started making a shocking revelation about her so-called father. I did not make this up. Very Dark Black Man himself interviewed the girl. You need to watch this for yourself.
It's a good thing that you released Doris Ogala before the Tuesday deadline. But the honest truth is, I actually didn't have any proof. You know, I said Doris Ogala sent me some things. I didn't have any proof. I have what was bigger than the proof. And let me give you a snippet of it. And trust me, I might even actually still post it, you know. Watch. Alright, so what is your name?
My name is Okafor, the daughter of Pastor Chris Okafor, the founder of Liberation City, Ojodu Beka.
So, Ms. Okafor, you reached out to me when this whole Doris Ogala thing is happening, and then you said you have a lot of things to say about your father. First things first, I was not going to put you on camera because of what you told me, but these things are too weighty for me to say with my mouth. I want you to come directly from you that experienced it, what you went through, you, your sisters, and your other siblings that are currently staying in the house with him. So,
it took me so much courage to come here. I can't believe he had to resort to me coming to talk about the man that brought me into this world, my own father.
calm down.
Sometimes I wish I had the blood of an animal running through my veins instead of his own.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm
down. God is really merciful. God is a merciful God. Because when I see him still climbing on that altar to preach, considering the things that he does to us, his daughters, before and after he climbs the altar.
Calm down. You know, when you're crying, you will not be really clear as to what you are saying. Nobody will really understand. I mean, you've told me about it, so I can understand why you're crying, but you just have to not cry so that the people can hear what you have to say. I understand that it's a traumatic experience. You know, what you witnessed, what was done to you, your siblings. You see, I just had to cut it because if I post everything, nobody will be in your church. And like she said, I don't even know how you still stand on the altar to preach. Thinking about everything I experienced that she shared, the testimony from your other daughter in Canada, the other one, you are a beast, to say the least. But may God forgive you. May God forgive you. May God forgive you. I might have to post everything because I don't know if I can hold it. The world needs to know who you are.
However you feel, drop it on the comment section. Remember, it's always social media and I'm here to give you the latest gist. However you feel, put your comments on the comment section. You need to stay woke because all these people that go from one church to another, I don't know about you,